Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Cooking with Neighbors. My name is Jerry Ellen. Welcome to my home, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm doing a grocery haul video. We went out here and there a number of times since a few times, not numerous, but a few times for sure, since the last grocery haul 2 weeks ago. So this is what we bought. There is a little bit more that we bought that I didn't get to video, but I'll say some of those items at the end. So anyway, let's just get into it. Okay, I went to Freshco, grabbed a couple of things. I didn't realize that we were just about out of Powerade. I get this because my blood pressure drops, and I find that having Gatorade or Powerade helps my blood pressure get back up so I don't get dizzy or faint. I got a head of broccoli because I want to make a soup. That was $1.88 a pound. I got some peanut butter because we're about out, and it's a nice large one, value size, for $8.99. And I asked Casey if he'd like a treat, and he asked for coffee pots, and these were on special, half price, so 12 for $3. So I got 2 of them. So yeah, I thought I'd come on, and if I pick up stuff during the week, I'll put it together in one video and share it with you all. Total was $23.14. Okay, a few things from Dollarama and Giant Tiger. Dollarama, I got this pan for Casey. Just, something to put the French fries on or whatever, or cookie sheet. 17 by 11 inch. $5. A box of SOS pads for me, a box for Casey and Lucian. $1.75 a box. A vinegar for him and a vinegar for me. $2.25 for 4 liters. I got this for myself, a larger scoop. $2.99 at Giant Tiger for the triple fruit raspberry jam, on sale. And this was on clearance for $1.99. Okay, so these were on a Shoppers Drug Mart, and they're a good size. 3 double-sized rolls for $3.88 each. So I got one for Casey and Lucian and one for ourselves here. Okay, now Walmart. $2.97 romaine lettuce, $2.97 for celery. Cauliflower, they're usually around $5, $1.44 each. Got 2 of them. Going to make some cauliflower wings. Potatoes, $2. $5.89 for 4 liters, 3 bags of 2% milk. These were half price for $2.47. They're usually close to $5 each. So I got 2 of those for our coffee and for recipes. Oranges were on for, what is it? I just saw them. $5.97 for a bag of oranges. $4.50 for this shampoo. I never tried it, but it was half price, so I was like, okay, I'll grab it because we're completely out until we Graham wants to get the kind that we get at Costco. Hopefully we'll get there on the weekend because I need a few things. 97 cents each for canned tuna. $1.77 each for diced tomatoes. The evaporated milk was on for $1.27 each. It's usually well over $2. And for $1.27, got 2 cans of those. The tomatoes, $5.19 for Roma tomatoes, plum tomatoes. And these rainbow peppers were $4.97 for 3. It's a bit much. I hope that I find a sale on this weekend. We eat a lot of peppers. We make a lot of, just cut them up, dips, trays, whatever, salads, but we go through them. So that's all that I got there. I think I spent about $50 some at Walmart, and then the $3.88 each for those. So I didn't get a lot of groceries this week, but because we are planning on eating out this weekend, maybe once, depending on how Harrietta is doing and if we can leave her for an hour or so. So anyway, I'll get into another grocery haul in this video shortly. Okay, a few more things. So I got this pasta sauce, or marinara, or tomato puree, whatever you want to call it, $2.99. I got Casey another box of these, even though he didn't finish the other ones. I just got them for him because they're still half price at $3. Cream cheese, $2.99. Mushrooms, $1.50 a package. This, the butter is $5.99. The butter and the mushrooms were on sale. This was on sale as well, along with the yogurts, and they were, what was the yogurts? $5.99. $5.99 for those. $6.89 for the eggs, and I got Casey and Lucy and some chips. Sea salt and vinegar, $4.79, and flaming hot nachos was $4.49. Okay, there's that one. So that total came to $40.31. All right, some more items here. I got some ground pork. It was $6.78, minus $2.03 for the 30% off. And then I got some cottage cheese, which was $4.49. Mushrooms, $2.99. Cremini mushrooms, about a half pound. Mozzarella, $4.99 on sale. And the evaporated milk was on sale as well for $1.59 each. And I got some no yolk noodles for $3.29. So that's the end of those. There is a little bit of a haul that we didn't get to record that Graham went and picked up some toothpaste that was on sale. 3 tubes of it was half price for almost $6 for the 3D Crest White toothpaste. And then he picked up 6 diet Pepsis, hot dogs, hot dog buns, nachos, 2 bags of them, salsa, and we picked up some fruit and vegetables, like some more cauliflower, some more of that, some more broccoli, things like that. But anyway, I didn't get to show those, sorry. Well, I'm going to get better at this. I promise you, I'll get better at it. Anyway, thank you all for being here. I do appreciate it very much, and I hope that you come back again. Take care, everyone. Bye.